Welcome to the AI community. If you're serious about using AI to grow your business faster and work smarter, not harder, you're definitely in the right place. This community gives you access to everything you need: the best AI courses, hands-on mentorship, top tools and templates, weekly updates on what's working right now. At the very top, we have our list of library of courses here. We have the new and latest one on NAN, the most powerful automation tool that is out there. We have a list of the top 100 best AI tools so you can find exactly the one that you need. We have a list of all the members' skill sets so you can network and find the right person who has the skill set or the network you need to grow your business. How to build an AI voice receptionist that answer calls 24/7, 365, because if you're missing calls, you're missing sales. How to build AI apps with no code. We also offer one-on-one AI coaching and mentorship at any time. This one is our most profitable one. How to build custom GPTs. You could build custom GPTs and sell those as a side hustle. Those are really hot in demand. How to build an AI avatar and clone yourself using HeyGen and 11 Labs so you have a digital avatar that looks like you, talks like you, and creates content effortlessly on autopilot so you never have to get on camera again to create content. How to organize your entire organization and automate your business using ClickUp. A full digital marketing course that teaches you how to turn followers into sales on autopilot. How to actually create social media content and live streams. This one is the most powerful. This will show you how to grow your following quickly, fastly, and how to never run out of content ideas. How to build a digital brain using Notion that captures all of your thoughts, your notes, your ideas, everything, and transform it into actionable insights, giving you the power to accomplish more. And then we have an in-depth Make.com course that will show you how to automate your social media content. And the most powerful skill set of them all is prompt engineering focused with ChatGPT, so that you can learn how to unlock the true power of ChatGPT to grow and scale your business. Then we also have events every single week. Every Tuesday and Thursday, we have office hours so entrepreneurs can come in, get updates on the latest AI tools that are out there. We remove the noise and show them exactly what are the tools and workflows to focus on and how to grow their business through mentorship. And lastly, every week we have a live AI workshop where we get together, we build using either a new tool or a new workflow so that you're actually improving your AI literacy, building powerful AI skills that gives you an insane competitive advantage in the real world. Because it's not AI that's going to replace you, but someone with AI skills or a competitor business that's leveraging AI. There's no way you'll be able to compete with them. They will crush you. In just 60 days, we got 90 entrepreneurs that are serious about leveraging AI for an unfair competitive advantage. And we raise the price every 50 members. So once these 10 memberships are gone, the price will double. Don't wait to join the Ultimate AI Mastermind community. Click the link below and get instant access to the entire community. I'll see you inside.